Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a website with Hostinger. First, navigate to Hostinger's website and choose a hosting plan. They offer various options, from shared hosting for beginners to more powerful VPS solutions. Next, you will register your domain name, which is your website's address on the internet. Finally, complete the simple sign-up process by entering your payment and contact information. This initial setup takes only a few minutes. Once you have chosen a plan, you will select your domain name. Hostinger often includes a free domain registration for the first year with many of its hosting packages. Think of a name that is memorable and relevant to your website's content. After selecting your domain, you will proceed to the checkout. Hostinger provides a user-friendly interface to guide you through each step, ensuring a smooth experience. Now it is time to build your website. Hostinger offers two main paths: their own AI-powered website builder, or a one-click installer for content management systems like WordPress. The website builder is perfect for beginners, allowing you to drag and drop elements to create a professional-looking site in about an hour. If you prefer more control, WordPress offers thousands of themes and plugins for extensive customization. With your website designed, the final step is to launch it. Simply click the Publish button, and your site will be live for the world to see. After launching, consider basic search engine optimization, or SEO, to help people find your site. This includes using relevant keywords and ensuring fast loading times. Remember to regularly update your website's content and software for optimal performance and security.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.